city has a population of 10 million people, which is about 1/5 of South Korea's entire population. Early mornings in the nation's most hectic capital are greeted with bustling bus rides and footsteps. And this vibrant metropolis is surrounded by skyscrapers, buildings, bus stations, and boulevards which connect to the Seoul 7017 Sky Garden. Believe it or not, this area was once an elevated highway to alleviate traffic jams between the western and eastern regions several decades ago. But the city decided to put oxygen into this overpass instead of scraping it. The number 70 behind the name refers to the year this overpass was built in, and 17 indicates the year the Sky Garden was rebuilt. The number 17 also refers to the number of footpaths that make up the garden. This 983-meter-long park has more than 50 species of plants, including trees, shrubs, and flowers from across the nation. Open stages like cafes and stages are also located for people to mingle around. Seoul didn't really have like a green symbol image before, but this whole eco-friendly design makes this area more friendlier and charming. Seoul has 5 different walkway paths: Mallidong Square, Rose Square, Taegyeoro Square, Magnolia Square, and Hanyangdo-seonggyul. And now that the city has implemented pedestrian-friendly lines, tourists can walk to tourist attraction spots in 20 minutes. An overpass has transformed into a majestic sky garden located above the busy streets. Come and visit the walkways of Seoul to experience the city's beautiful history and culture. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!